Good morning. Today we define a term called power. Power is represented by the symbol P. Now what is power? Power is the rate of work done. That means power equals to work done by time taken. So when anything is divided with time, we call it as the rate. So rate of work done is called power. So the formula of power goes like that: power equals to work done is W, time is T. Now there are different formula of power. So using this power equals to work done by time. So formula 1 is, you know, work done is the product of force and displacement. So you may use this formula, power equals to Fs by T. Also you can sometimes we use this formula, work done is also mgh. When we move a body vertically upward or vertically downward, so we are doing work against gravity. So you know, work done to lift a body above a height h is mgh. So in such cases we use the formula mgh by T. So this formula P equals to Fs by T, force into displacement, is the formula of work done when anything moves in a straight path, and work done formula is mgh whenever we lift anything above the ground, the work done is mgh. Clear? Now what is the SI unit? SI unit of power. It is watt. Symbol is W. See, what is 1 watt? Look into this formula. If someone performs a work of 1 joule and time taken is 1 second, if 1 joule of work is done and time taken is 1 second, then power equals to work done by time taken. Work done is 1 joule, time taken is 1 second. So we get 1 joule by second. This 1 joule per second is called as 1 watt. So power is said to be 1 watt if 1 joule of work is done in 1 second. Clear? So there are some other units of power like kilowatt. 1 kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is 1000 watt. 1 horsepower, HP. 1 horsepower. Horsepower is also another unit of power. 746 watt. So 746 watt equals to 1 horsepower. Now the question arises, what shall we understand from the concept of power? Now let us take one example to understand. There is a man or student X does a job of 10 joules, performs a work of 10 joule and takes a time of 2 seconds. So what is the power? Power is work done by time, work done is 10, time taken is 2, so answer is 5 watt. And there is another student, Y. He also does the same job of 10 joule, but he takes a time of 5 seconds. Okay, student X performs a work of 10 joule, but in 2 seconds, student Y performs 10 joule in 5 seconds. Then let us find what is the power of student Y. Work done is 10, time taken is 5. So answer is 2 watt. Now from this example you can understand that student X has more power as compared to student Y. It means that student X and student Y are doing same amount of work, 10 joule, but which student takes less time to do the work? Obviously student X. So student X takes only 2 seconds to perform a work of 10 joule, but student Y takes 5 seconds to perform a work of 10 joule. So anyone who does a job in less amount of time will have more power as compared to someone who does the same job in more time. So that means if anything has more power, it will mean that the work done can be performed in less amount of time. So time taken will be less. Like we compare sometimes, we say that is this person is powerful as compared to this. What does it mean? Powerful means not in other powers, not different powers as used in society, not that one. Here, if I say that that person has more power as compared to this, more powerful person means that this person can do the same job in lesser amount of time. So water pump we use in our homes, and those are rated as half horsepower, 1 horsepower, 2 horsepower. So greater is the power of a water pump. It can lift water quickly. Lifting water means doing work faster. But if you are using a electric motor or water pump of less power, it will no doubt fill the tank, but power is less, so it will take a lot of time to fill the tank. That is the difference. That is the meaning of power. So using this formula of power, we can solve some numerical problems.